All right, hello once again, Jeff Scott from Jeff Teaches Programming, and I'm starting from inside the code here because again, if I go back to here and click publish, I'm still getting this thing. So I will start right from the code. Now there's a couple things we haven't handled yet, well more than a couple, but the next two that we want to handle are we want to handle it. Well, the next thing we want to do is we want to format the display. So this will convert a raw JavaScript number to a string for better display purposes. Call it res for result, that's fine. So that'll return error. That'll be a divide by zero error. And this will handle positive infinity or negative infinity. All right, if we get down to here, we want to format it. We will set the to precision to 12 to limit significant digits. All right, now we have to handle the percent sign and the plus minus sign. And this next line, it'll make sure that value stays editable. I think that's it. This will flip the sign of the displayed number from positive to negative or negative to positive. What happened there? But it wasn't good. We don't want to use 0 because negative 0 doesn't mean anything and positive 0 really doesn't mean anything either. So that'll flip it. All right, so we've got that done. Next, we want to have the entry point for all user input. Doesn't matter if it originates from a button click or a keyboard event. This is where we're going to dispatch everything, so we'll call it dispatch. All right. This is just about all we've got left here. Where am I for time? All right, I'm going to get it started, but I don't think I'm going to finish it because I don't want to go much more than 20 minutes in each one of these lectures. Oh, it goes for a while. I'm going to change this. We're using num in here in other places. I'm just going to change that to n. Like that. All right. So if it's a number, we want to input it. It's a decimal, we want to input decimal. We better break after these. Now, if it's an add, a subtract, a multiply, or divide, we want to do the input operator because they pressed one of those symbols. So hit the equal sign. The ones we just wrote. should be it. I don't think I even need a default, but I'll put one in anyway. I'll just tell it to break. So if we click the button, handle it. If it was not a button, just return. So we're going to ignore it, in other words. Each button stores its logic. So in its data, the data action that we put in there, like, we put in num or add or whatever, and the value we put in there for it. We want to wipe the history panel when the user clicks clear history. And this will clear the in-memory log. So everything we've been holding in there. And this will remove all li elements from the DOM. All right, the only thing that's left is some keyboard support stuff, so I probably got about 20 or 30 more lines, and then a little bit more. I'm going to do that in hopefully one last lecture, just a bit.